Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Welcome to yet another Nifty analysis and Bank Nifty analysis video. Yesterday we had said that Nifty can first come up and then it will fall, and then we will get an updated trend line and you will get one more up move. And in this video you will know how important wave analysis can be. Because if you see today, exactly same thing happened. First Nifty gave upside momentum, then it fell from this point and the structure got completed below this point. And then again you can see if you connect the updated trend line, it started to move up. And this is how wave analysis works, and you can well prepare in time before time that what can be the next possible move. And it also tells us that if you are wrong, then what can be the other possible move. Like in case of Bank Nifty, our view was that this looks like a corrective structure. So one more move up and then one fall can come. After that, we were looking for the buy side momentum. However, if you see, we had a backup plan also that if it keeps on rising and after that we will not directly buy it, and if we get a corrective structure after that, then we can look for this buy side. And you can see exactly this happened, and this is the second case. And you can see today Bank Nifty didn't fall like Nifty, and it was going up. After this, you can see instead of falling, it gave us a corrective structure, and corrective structure is minimum three where we can see 1 2 3. So this means that it for this impulse, this is a corrective structure and one more push up is coming. So I hope this simple analysis of wave can help you in your trading. And we also said that one ICICI Bank, for this we had given a sell, because if you see this was an impulsive move. This followed up by a slowly going B wave, and this C wave was there. So we were expecting as soon as this trend line will break, this will give us a sell signal. And if you see today, as after this trend line breakout, it fell, and this is exactly what we had said yesterday. So having simple knowledge of wave analysis can help. And let us move forward and see what can be the future possible moves of Nifty. Now if you see this chart, this is let us see the hourly picture first. And if you see, this overall still looks to me correct to move. This, if you see this move, this is followed by this move, and then for this case, this upside can be part of this corrective move only. The reason is simple. If you see this upside, slowly, this B wave is gone and this is giving upside. So as of now, this all can be just corrective wave, and but this is not complete as of now, meaning that either it can give the fall also, but it can go corrective structure and up also, which means that once this current wave is over, then we can look for sell setup. As of now, this wave does not look complete, which means there is still upside pending. And after this, you can see one more push can be come down. Now let us, if you let me erase it and let me show you one structure that is exactly like this, and that has already happened in past. Now let me go back to this point and let me copy this price action. Let me first, and let me copy this part of price action. So let me copy it. Now let us compare these two price action in this. Now in the first case, we got an impulsive move. In this case, we got an impulsive move. This was followed by a three-wave corrective structure, which was fast. And this is a first wave down, first wave down. After this, you can see we got the first move up, and slowly this move was broken, which means this was a part of correction. Again, you got a first move up and slowly this move went down, which means this is a part of correction. After that, you can see we got an upside and sharp fall, upside, sharp fall, and upside, upside, sharp fall, and upside. So which means we can still go upside, then give a bigger corrective structure, then again go up, and after that we can again fall. Now this, once we get a break of this trend line, we can again fall. And this looks exactly, the structure as of now is similar to this structure. However, we have to see whether this gets updated, we get a fast impulse. So all these things we have to, I mean, take into perspective. But as of now, this price action has already happened some days back, and as of now, this looks exactly as like this. I hope all these things are helpful, and if this delivers value, please consider subscribing and sharing with friends. And if you have any doubt, post. Now let us see Bank Nifty. If you see the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty, as of now, this is up move, corrective structure, and up move. So we can connect this trend line on a 15-minute chart. Now, next possible thing is that since you can see there is a slight divergence as of now, if we get a crossover in this, and then also along with this break, fast break, then you can see then a corrective structure developing. If you see this structure, then you can see it will fall. Whether it will fall and clear this depends whether these impulse and this impulse have divergence. If this is divergence, then one more push up can come. However, if there is no divergence, then this can be a full reversal also, because overall structure, if you see, this still looks like a corrective structure, and for this impulse one more push down can come. However, suppose you get this does not happen, the other possibility is that if you see on there is a big gap up and it gives a small correction followed by up move. Because now let us see on a 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, you can see this wave can give small correction and one more push up also to break this structure also. And because this is one wave, this can be the correction and this can be another wave. So however, we have to see wave by wave. Like if you see in this part, this is a fast move, this is the corrective structure. So at least if you can see, we can get something upset like in this area also. So this top can be again cleared also. However, let us see on a smaller basis that whether this trend line is broken, and if we are if this trend line breaks, then this is the trade that you should do. And if it gives and support this trend line, suppose it gives slowly, then there is no selling in this, then this means that if it is slowly moving down, then it means that one more push will come to the upside. I hope this is clear. If you get a fast move down, then only selling setup works. On the other hand, if this breaks slowly, then that means that this is correcting for one more push up. Because on a higher time interval, if you see, this is still in a downtrend, and probably this is a corrective structure that is going on, and after that one more push can come. So all these possibilities are still open. However, after this, if you see on the chart, there will be a divergence, and then a bigger corrective structure will come. So I think in the coming weeks, a good upside potential can come in this and Nifty also. So let us see, and I will update this on the channel. I hope this delivers value, and if you have any doubts, please post them as comments, and thank you.